What is up, Tezos fam? I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you what's going on with these TZ colors and how to basically work the site. The first thing you want to do is pull up tzcolors.io and you're going to connect to your wallet. I'm using QKai. It's going to pull it up and approve. So once you're approved, you'll see it's done the operation here and it's connected to my wallet. So some people are going a little crazy here, as you can see, where they won an auction and have decided to relist them at very hopeful starting bids. I hope they make their money. That's pretty awesome, honestly. You can filter it by time, price, name. I seem to be doing best by doing it by time because everybody is jumping into the bids last second. So as far as like my wallet's concerned, I only have like 15 Tez left in here, so let's find one that I can actually afford to bid on, like iced tea. So if you want to bid on something, you just click bid. It's gonna pull up this contract in your wallet. You confirm. It's going to want me to connect because I'm using direct auth. And there you go. So now it's signing the transaction and it's going to show up in my wallet as unconfirmed at first. And it seems to take about 1 minute. So as long as nobody else outbids me while it's confirming, I should be able to lock down at least a bid for iced tea. So a lot of people have asked while we're waiting for this to happen, what's the point? That's a good question. People are still asking that question with crypto kitties from back in the day and these crypto punks that are out now and people spending like 600 ETH on these things. So at the end of the day, don't try to understand. Just know that it's working for people and people are making tons of money trading these NFTs. And I appreciate this TZ Colors project because it really simplifies it and makes it easy to understand and use. And I feel like it's a great introduction for what's coming for Tezos NFTs. There it is, just now. So now that it's confirmed, we're going to go into here. Iced tea will pop up as my bid pretty much any second. There we go. So now it says that I am the highest bidder. It shows my address at 10.1. And I will say something to know about this site is that when somebody places a bid, it adds to the time. So you can't really snipe successfully. But I hope that helps. You understand at least how to use this initial NFT auction site. And good luck.